Is Antarctica losing its penguins? A research article by Jefferson Hinkey, Susan Trivelpiece, and Wayne Trivelpiece. You may know Antarctica is the southernmost continent, a cold, isolated wasteland not favorable to humans. However, Antarctica is home to many different life forms, like the Adelie penguin. According to the article, however, climate change is affecting Antarctica more than any other place on Earth, and these effects are putting the animals there at risk. The article describes how Adelie penguins rely on sea ice to live. In this particular picture, you see Antarctica and sea ice, and it's melting. The penguins eat krill, and krill eats phytoplankton. The phytoplankton use the sea ice as shelter. So, as the sea ice melts, the phytoplankton will disappear, the krill will disappear, and so will the penguins. The researchers in this article studied penguin populations, specifically collecting data on breeding pairs, survival rates, and births. They developed a mathematical model to predict the population changes in penguins for the next 30 years. So what did their mathematical model find? Well, the model found 3 possible scenarios. The first scenario was a pessimistic scenario, which said if conditions worsen and more sea ice melts, penguin colonies will disappear even faster than predicted. The second scenario was a semi-pessimistic scenario that said if things continue at the rate that they are, then colonies will continue to decline, just a bit slower than within the first scenario. And in the last scenario, it was an optimistic scenario that said if conditions improve, penguin populations can recover. So what can we do and what can be done? Well, the article emphasizes the importance of the Adelie penguin to the Antarctic ecosystem. So we need to increase our conservation efforts, namely reducing our carbon footprint and reducing the impact of climate change on this continent. So that concludes our paper slide video, narrated by Elizabeth McTavish and filmed by Emma McTavish.